development. Asa naman Chicana development baka personally? From a range of 1 to 10. 5. 3. 3 Jud. 1/2. Why mo 10, Dani? No? Okay. We know that a certain individual needs to develop himself or herself. There are 5 stages now. Actually, it's not stages, but aspect for personality development. 5. First is physical self. In terms of physical self, diba? We eat food. Why do we eat?
We have mouth.
We have mouth. Now, we want to have energy to make our work. Things can be done so well because we eat our meal and we eat nutritious foods and balanced diet. We are going to rest. No? How many hours? Let's say Brian, full of energy, full of nutrients in Brian. Ito sa pabi, huwag mo kaila pero ugma o kaila nakakunan ni ugma. Name is? Si Kuya. Kuya Jules. Tomorrow we will have the names in Okay. Second is we have you sleep well. Now, tubo mo. 8 hours na to. 8 hours, 7 hours. Patubo, hindi mo ba? 2 hours is not enough for teenagers like you. Ma-develop ko man mo, hindi mo ma-develop. Kasi mo patutog na mga tigbuwang na hindi kami mo tubo. Ang ganda nito mo man mo, you need to sleep 8 hours. Okay, ano mga physical self. Why do we go to church? Why do we go to church? Charles. Ano ba naman the Charles? To praise God. No. To pray.